looks pretty cool with that smoker going, doesn't it? I love it. I love it. Hello, my name's Michael Harrell.
Heather, his wife, and the chef.
We are located here in little old Columbus, Georgia.
I will say some people ask us a lot, so is it Southern food? And there is Southern influence, but the big part of the Southern for us was the Southern hospitality. Creating an atmosphere where it's very warm and inviting, friendly atmosphere, like walking into someone's home, and so we're here like every night getting ready for a dinner party.
It's like that one moment where you're choosing good and evil. I could have been an arsonist or a barbecue guy, and I ended up going more to the barbecue side, thank God, because I do love fire.
Yeah.
I'll stare at it for hours. I'll never forget when we were finalizing this deal, I remember my wife turned to me and said, "Your mandate is to bring Southern hospitality back to Columbus."
The other thing we smack at the beginning of the week is pork belly. Cure it for a week, and it's used in a couple of different of our dishes, along with the chicken. So,
Oh, that's beautiful.
yeah, there we go.
For a lot of people, cooking can be a chore.
Sorry, you've got ashes all.
For a lot of people, cooking can be a chore, but for her, genuinely, even at the house, she'll get up and be in the kitchen all day, and that's in her domain, and you just lose yourself. Next thing you know, 3 hours have passed, and you don't know where the time went, but you had a good time doing it.
Yeah.
And for me, the head of the table, it just brought me back to Sunday dinners, at our house growing up.
With my cooking, I really enjoy flavor. Yeah.
She doesn't complicate things. She doesn't overspice. The one thing, if I've heard her say it 1,000 times, less is more. Yeah. Less is more. Less is more.